Hi, I'm Mark Anderson. I am the Director of Manufacturing Technology at Kankakee Community College. Our students are going to be the jack of all trades. They're going to be fixing and repairing machines, they're going to be troubleshooting, and they also have to do presentations for their supervisors about doing preventative maintenance programs.
My name is Pete Dato and I work at CSL Bearing. I'm currently going to Kankakee Community College taking the maintenance and manufacturing courses. So far in manufacturing technology, I've learned a lot about the processes of what all it takes to make something and then ship it to the customer. You didn't realize how many steps there is just to make something small and get it to a customer and actually have them happy with it. Younger, I didn't realize how much money and how big of a job field that was. Definitely something that I think more younger kids should look into as a career choice, for sure.